Do you need to replace the power button on your Inspiron 155510? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. Okay, real quick, ESD or electrostatic discharge is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap as well as an ESD mat. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Now peel back the adhesive cover and disconnect the battery cable. Then unscrew and lift open the left LCD hinge. Then peel back the adhesive cover and unclip the locking tab, then disconnect the input-output board cable. Now unclip the locking tab, then disconnect the power button cable. Now unscrew and remove the input-output board. Then unscrew and remove the power button. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.